everybody! I'm here today to do a review of this Ridgid Hyper Drive 18-volt finish nailer kit. In this video review, I'll be going over the basic features and functions of this awesome nailer kit, and then I'll be telling you about my own personal opinion on it after having used it for quite a while, and then I'm going to demonstrate how it works really quickly, okay? First and foremost, let's take a look at the kit, okay? I'm going to show you the box that it came in, okay? So here's the box that it came in. I'm going to try and get this on camera. Let's move the nailer to the side for just a moment, okay? If you take a look right here, this is the box that it came in. You can hopefully see right here. I'm going to get up so I can point this in the same direction as the camera right now. But the actual product number of this is EBOOK, okay? Now, I couldn't tell if this was a 0 or an O, so I looked it up, and I'm pretty sure it's EBOOK. This is the box that it came in, and in addition to that packaging, it also comes with this awesome carrying case. Really, really cool because everything fits inside of here. It has these nice handles. You can carry it around really easily. So, in addition to that, the main guts of what we're looking at here is a Ridgid 18-volt Hyper Drive nailer, okay? It also comes with a charger, a battery, okay, as you can see right here, 18-volt battery, and if you push the back of the battery, it shows you how much battery life is left. Really convenient feature, something that you don't find on many of the more inexpensive tools. And when you get to the pro grade level ones like these, you're going to start finding little features like that. Is it a huge deal? In my opinion, yeah, but you're not going to miss it if you don't have it, but if you have it, it's great. And it comes with some nails, which are good. I didn't even open these actually, I was just using my own nails. I'm going to place these to the side. I'm going to place the charger to the side, and what we're going to work with is just the actual nailer and the battery, okay? So if you take a look at the battery, really lightweight design, even the nailer, considering the fact that this is a battery-powered nailer, you don't need a compressor, you don't need any electrical power to work with this. And let me tell you, it lasts a long time. I was doing wainscoting around my house, and I used this for like pretty much an entire day, and I didn't even come close to killing the battery, okay? Like, it really does a great job at doing what it does best, which is driving nails into material, okay? So there are a few different features. You're gonna see that there's a light that illuminates. Obviously, you have to press it down to make it actuate. It just has a good balance to it. I mean, if you're using it, you'll see that it's really well balanced. You can fit quite a few nails, and then you can also adjust the depth. It's also really easy in case there's a jam nail to get it out, but that's a whole different story. I actually didn't encounter any jams, but I watched a few different tutorials on how to get out a jam nail, and it seems really easy, but I actually never had to do it because no nails even jammed up. I've used a ton of battery-powered nailers, and this is the only one that has never jammed on me. And then you can obviously adjust the depth right here. It allows you to adjust how deep you want the nail to be driven, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some nails in here. And once we put some nails in here, we're gonna use it a few times. So to load it is very simple. I'm probably going to do a completely separate tutorial on reloading this nailer because a lot of people want to see that, but you simply move that piece and you drop the nails into place. There you go. They should slide right down just like that, as long as it's good to go. And we move that sliding piece back. I don't know the name of that piece. We're going to put the battery in. Whenever you are dealing with loading or reloading the nailer, take the battery out, please. Please, please, please. Okay? Now, if you take a look right here, you'll see in just a moment that we have a light right there. Super convenient. I mean, you're probably going to be working in the daylight or with a lot of light. But this helps because even if it's bright outside, even if it's bright inside, if you're working in a house and the room is bright, okay? It's really, really convenient to have a light like that because it just gives you a better idea of what is going on, okay? So we have some pieces of wood right here. I'm actually going to drive a nail through these pieces of wood. I am actually going to get another piece of wood. I'm in my garage. I have some lying around here, and I'll tell you why. I think that those nails are pretty long in the sense that they might actually go through those pieces of wood right there. Let's go and grab a 2x4 just to be safe. I know you're thinking, why didn't you edit this out? Listen, I don't edit my videos. We don't cut things out. We just do it like it is, okay? so now we're good to go. We're not gonna drive all the way through this. I think these were 2-inch, I can't remember. It's been too long since I did the work. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna drive some nails in. Check out how easy it works. Just like that. Check it out. Just like that. You'll notice that the recoil is not even that bad. You know, you see some nail guns, some nailers, and they shoot right back up. And as you can see, yeah, we did go through both pieces of wood, so I would have ruined my filming table. I've had this kind of table that I've used for filming for many years, and it's in pretty good condition. I would have completely ruined that part. One more time, just like that, okay? As you can see, I'm gonna pull this out just to be safe. Very easy. Look, the nails stick very, very well, and you can make adjustments, okay? It also has a sort of like a rapid fire mode that you can use if you want to, where, you know, you hold the trigger down and it'll go every time you press it down. Really cool feature. I personally have never used that. It's a little switch on the back here. There's a little knob right there. You can switch it on or off. Basically, so right now it's on the single mode, which just shows a single nail. If I switch it over, I don't know if you can see this on the camera, probably not. It shows a triple nail, which is like the rapid fire mode. And I've never used it. I've never had a need to use it. But if you're a framer, if you're framing something, if you're doing rough work, then, you know, that's something that you want to do. You know what? We're going to try right now. I mean, there's no harm. I know the mode works really well. So we're going to switch it to sort of the rapid fire mode. I'm going to hold down the trigger. Okay, I'm gonna hold down the lever. So what I did there was I was just holding down the lever, and every time that this piece right here is pushed against an object, it fires. Obviously, safety has to be your #1 concern, so you have to continually monitor what's going on and work at your own pace that you feel comfortable with, but overall, it's great to use if you need. Like I said, that's the first time I used it. Overall, amazing tool. I'm really happy with it. It's an amazing nailer. I mean, I pretty much have nothing bad to say about this. It's actually incredible. And obviously I love the Ridgid coloration. That orange coloration looks amazing. But that's it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video review of this Ridgid Hyper Drive brushless 18-volt nailer. If you like this video review, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.